Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. Today I'm going to show you a very simple veg fried rice recipe. Here I've laid out all the ingredients required for the recipe. I've finely chopped carrot, beans, ginger, garlic, chilies and onions, and I also finely chopped the bell pepper. I've already pre-cooked the basmati rice and reserved, and we'll need pepper powder, soya sauce and vinegar for this recipe. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video. I've heated a wok on medium flame, and to the wok I've added sesame oil. You can use refined oil also, that's up to you. Once the oil has reached temperature, I've added dried red chilies and allowed it to splutter. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. All my social media handle links will also be in the description box below this video. The same recipes are translated in Tamil language and posted in Tamil channel. My Tamil channel link will also be in the description box below this video. Now you can see I've added finely chopped onions, finely chopped chilies. I'll fry the onion till it turns transparent. This is a very simple fried rice recipe which you can serve it as it is, or you can pair this along with some Manchurian or honey chili potatoes and you can enjoy this fried rice. Now once the onion has turned transparent, I've added finely chopped garlic and ginger. We'll stir all the ingredients and fry it till it turns light golden in color. So my carrot and beans is finely chopped. I've added the carrot and beans, and I've also added bell pepper. We'll fry all the veggies for 2 minutes, then sprinkle some water. I've added salt, white pepper powder and black pepper powder. We'll stir all these ingredients, cover this and cook it for 5 minutes on high flame. Since the veggies are finely chopped, it will cook faster and it will be nice and tender. I don't like the veggies to be raw in my fried rice, so I like to cook the veggies. So here you can see my veggies have cooked and it is fried well. I'll be adding the other condiments. Now I'll add the soya sauce, vinegar. You just need to check and adjust the salt as per your preference and add the salt as per your preference. Veg fried rice is one of my favorite dishes. I like to even pack this for my tiffin box. It's very nice and tasty. It retains that taste even if it goes cold. So you just add a tiny amount of vinegar. You can also use lime juice. Sometimes I use lime juice in this recipe. Now I'll just stir the veggies and fry it once, and at this point the veggies are done. So I'll add the rice. I'll fry the rice for just 2 minutes and that's about it. My veg fried rice is ready. This is very simple recipe, friends. Do give this recipe a try and post your comments. This is how I prepare my veg fried rice. This is very nice and tasty because I've added dried red chilies. If you have noticed, there is something new in this. I've added dried red chilies. It gives a very unique flavor and nice taste. So try this recipe and post your comments, friends. Now my veg fried rice is ready. I've served it. If you all enjoyed watching this video recipe, do like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my other social media. So my veg fried rice is ready. I've garnished it with some coriander, just the typical Indian style. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video, friends. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.